Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, this morning we're doing, as you guys see from the title or the thumbnail, my birthday vlog. So yes guys, so today I do have school, so I don't know how today's gonna go, but yeah. Yeah. Hi, we're not even in start vlog.
Yes, so that's just how we do it. Happy birthday!
Today it's your birthday. No, it's your day. Happy birthday. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god. Guys, I'm 27 and there's Silver. Silver is my favorite.
Yeah,
I'm a queen. No, it's not what I'm idiot.
So you're 27. How do you feel?
I still feel like I'm still a baby. I don't care. I'm still a baby.
Girl, fix that crown. Don't let it fall.
Sorry. I threw my head up in this something them.
Thank you, guys. Happy birthday to you.
So yes, guys. So I gotta start my crown and my sash.
Some little yellow rose come off.
I get gift so early in the morning. Early in the morning.
Sorry. This is gift from me, Toby K, Daddy and Mommy. I'm so used to say their name. So we hope that you should have stayed so your outfit time. Anyway, we hope that you loved it.
Stay one place, the balloon. Thank you.
Number one.
Gift number
Open it up.
This is probably the only one you guys will see on this vlog. You might have to just wait for the rest. Ooh, I see slippers.
Yellow.
And they're yellow. If you don't know, as I'm not gonna see it in our video, I'm gonna share, Shani. So there's gonna say it in there. I'm the queen of yellow. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We got a blouse, guys. Ooh, a nice crop top. If you don't know, me start get obsessed with crop tops. I don't know why, but y'all just love them.
You can actually wear it today if you want. That's how we're giving you the
what
first
now
gift now.
Wear it with?
I don't know, jeans pants. I don't care.
At what point of the day?
I don't know.
Okay. Alright, guys. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I love you.
You know this. I know this. No, I'm going back to bed.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna shower right now. I finished getting ready. Oh yes, I did do a video of me like getting all kind of dolled up for my 27th birthday, but it's not finished, so it's gonna be finished today. So yeah, you guys will see that video before this one. Yeah. Oh yes, if you guys did not know, these are my what they now say party. Don't explain now, see them up what they now see up. Yes, these are my nails. I did them. Okay. Anyways, bye guys. Alright guys, so I just made my bed. But I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I need to plug in some stuff because I need to plug in the camera and my phone. And then go bathe. Then I might be putting on this right now. Because as I said, I do have work. So I have to go and teach. But I want to look cute for the day. So I'm gonna put this on. This is a black and white turtleneck. I bought this to go to work, so if you watch my haul you would have known this blouse. And then I might be putting on this pants. It's yellow. Duh. So because I will be taking pictures throughout the day, so yeah. But let me just put these on the bed. And yeah, so we're gonna bathe and then I'll come back after I'm done showering. Just wanted to show you guys my bed. Yeah, so this is my bed. It's all yellowed out, and I just put the things that they just gave me on the bed. I don't know what they're planning to do afterwards, but I just left it there. So yeah, I'm a babe. I'm wearing this was it from Shein. Yes, in my haul, guys, in my haul. This pants, I don't know where it's from, but I've had it for quite a while and it was kind of bigger than me, but I took it up, so yeah, I turned it into a work pants. So since I'm going to work, not, you know, just wanted to take like pictures and stuff like that, so this is what I'm wearing. So yes.
Wait.
Hi guys, it's my birthday and it's purple.
It's not my man, cupcake.
Hi.
Look, before it go.
You should have put down the
Oh, it was supposed to be 2.
Yeah.
Oh, she have those? Mommy, have fun. Put on some money.
Because it did that spoil.
Ooh, guys, breakfast nice today. I feel like a queen. Yellow mat.
Nobody stare on my table honestly without the crown.
Sure. Alright guys, so then I come put on my crown. So I just put on the crown. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the crown. So this is gonna be the hairstyle. I'm vlogging. Say hi to the vlog. Hi guys, so I just finished one class, but I need to use the bathroom, so I'm gonna just run over for a few and then come back because I need to go to the bathroom. I was rushing to come over, so I didn't go to the bathroom, so I need to go use the bathroom. Alright guys, so I am heading to my last class for the day. Last class. And then I think when I'm ready to fix up, I'm gonna have to fix up my hair. My hair gone. Out of this style. Or whatever. We're gonna fix it while we're doing the makeup. So yeah. Alright guys, so I was actually at class, but my sister and Toby, they brought me break, so I had to show you guys. So these are wafers. I love these, and I also love my nice cupcake and Capri Sun. Ooh, guys, my break ton up. And class was fun, so yeah. My kids them just have crap me up, yeah, but I can't manage them. So yes guys, I'ma just pack up now and go over because class done for the day. Happy. Yes guys, I'm happy. So we're gonna put on our bag, we're gonna close this window. We're gonna grab our stuff. And if I can lock this window. Oh, Jesus. Alright guys, so I forgot I was even vlogging. I put down the phone there to vlog for me and I forgot. But anyways, so we're blowing up some balloons right now. I have them blow balloon. This is the decor so far. We got the one over there as well. And yeah, so we're vlogging. I totally forgot. Thanks to Auntie Shan. Thanks to Auntie Shan. I mean, I know where I go. Yeah. Go, sister. Yes.
Check me up for all your decor.
Yes, goodie. It look nice, not lie. How much longer you gonna make that?
I'm gonna make it longer and then I'm gonna do a not short one to go on that side.
Alright, Dios mío. I'm gonna catch me in there. But yeah.
People, it's time for her to change into our second outfit and she
I'm tired. I wanna sleep. Guys, look at my sister's handiwork. It's all yellow and cute. Alright guys, last one. Yes, now Shakay fire burning up the dance floor. Whoa. I see cake.
You see too much.
I see cake.
Give me a few boy, you come. Come all it.
No! I'm not getting my cake yet.
Woody, you ready to stay on picture there?
Alright guys, so it is we just finished our second photo shoot. So yes, this is the background. This is the I'm gonna get up and then just show you guys, but yes, so this is where we were. I'm gonna just show you guys some of the pictures that we did. You guys go and follow me on Instagram so you guys can go and like it and stuff like that. So yes, my beautiful photographer, yes, she's my photographer today. So yes, let me grab my shoe and the camera. I need to go plug this in for later. I need to also plug in this phone. But yes guys, that was a success. So alright guys, I'm currently at prayer meeting. I just ate some pizza. I'll show you the pizza later. That my dad bought for me. So yeah, them know someone like food. So that's my birthday treat. No food, pretty much. I like junk food. That's fine. So yes, this is one of the outfits that I did. Hi guys, editing Shakay here. So I totally forgot to end this video. Typical Shakay. But I totally forgot to end the video. It is like days after my birthday. It's actually Saturday night right now, and I'm editing to upload this tomorrow. So I forgot to end the vlog, so I just want to come on and say thanks to everybody that wished me a happy birthday. I am really grateful. I am thankful for all of you guys in my life. I just want to say thanks again to you all. Thanks especially to my family and to my close friends that made this birthday very special. I'm hoping to put up the party. We had a Zoom party, which is what we were on after. It comes after the last clip, but it is like an hour and something long, so I'm gonna have to go through and put it down so I can put it into like a vlog kind of thing for YouTube, so I want to upload that. I'm hoping everybody's actually okay with me putting it, but mostly it's my face, but their voice will be in it, so I'm hoping they'll be fine with it. But I'm so excited for you guys to see that. It was really a good day. It started off so nice with my sister's video. I did post that video, like I shared it. She put up a video that that really surprised me, because I did not know that was happening. So that was really a surprise for me. It was just a lovely day, guys. Even up to now, I'm just thinking about it. It's making me smile. So just want to say thanks again, guys, and look out for that video. Hopefully it will be coming later on in the week. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.